Hi, in this video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the INFANS 4-in-1 convertible high chair. So here's the model number on it. It's 50TG. So I'm going to open it up and we're going to see what's inside. Do not open with a knife. You don't want to cut or damage anything. So over here, you can see everything is neatly packaged. It comes in a big bag, which is zip tied shut to make sure in case it rains or anything, that's protected. It has these pads in the corner to protect the edges, make sure it doesn't get damaged in transit. So I'm gonna pull this out and we're gonna see how it looks. So over here, you can see how it looks. Looks like it's almost like completely built, which is nice, for new mothers or parents not to have to completely put it together. I'm gonna unbag it, we'll see how it looks. So I took off the bag, so you can see this is how it looks. The tray is in its own bag, make sure that stays clean. So it's got some foam covers over here, just gotta slide it off. It's got cardboard over here holding it together, so you just gotta cut that. So over here you can see the tray. Now this one does not have a cup holder like some others. This lifts off and you can see a black tray underneath it. And you can see this clips on over here. It's got a nice clip over here that holds on nicely. And over here you can see how it stands. It's nice and compact when standing up. Now I'm gonna unfold it so you can see how it looks. So over here you can see it completely assembled. So this is how it looks. You press these buttons on each side in order to fold it. It's got different pieces for adjustments, like over here. This button, you can make it a separate booster. The top part could come off. The legs, the kickstand could fold up. Let me just show you the 5-point harness is over here. So I'll show you how it is. So these parts are, it's connected, but the top part looks like it could be slid off if you want to only use it as the bottom part of the buckle. The straps look like it's good quality. I'll pull this. This moves easily. We're gonna see if it moves too easily or not, but it seems like it's holding in place. In the back, these parts could slide out if necessary to move it lower or higher or to wash them. So you can see over here, you could push this in to tilt it back if you want to be able to relax. And then you could squeeze these levers over here to go up and down, if you want it higher or lower. So this is the INFANS 4-in-1 convertible booster seat. We could pull this off just so you can see. So over here you can see it, taken off. To be able to go on a chair, you have to look at the manual and see exactly how to set that up. But that's the general idea how it could come off of the base. So I'm just going to quickly flip through the manual, last step, just so you can see how to do things. There you go. Just gonna stay by each page for 30 seconds in case you got questions. So here it's showing those different heights and how to fold it and those different positions. So thanks for watching my video of the INFANS 4-in-1 convertible high chair. If you have any questions about this high chair, feel free to comment below and I'll see if I can answer them.